Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on finance equations, and I'm mainly focusing on annuities. All right, but this one is going to have a few compound interest formulas popping up because it's kind of fun. So how much money should be invested in one lump sum? That word lump sum tells you that it's compound interest, not an annuity. At 6% interest, compounded monthly, so that after 15 years, the account holds $35,000. So if we look at our compound interest formula, A equals P1 plus R over M to the MT, I'm asking you to solve for the principal or for the present value. What present value lump sum? What value do I need today in the present to invest so that in 15 years it grows to $35,000? So I take $35,000 equals the present value, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 to the 12 times 15. To do this, I'm just going to take that 35,000 and divide by the 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 to the 12 times 15. And I'm going to get that the principal, the current value, the value today is $14,261.88. So that's not bad. In 15 years, it more than doubles, which is kind of cool. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to compare this to an annuity. Money is added to an annuity each month that pays 6% interest, compounded monthly, so that after 15 years, the account holds $35,000. We are starting to see a pattern. All right, so our annuity is A equals R. R is our periodic payment. 1 plus R over M to the MT minus 1, all divided by R over M. Okay, so we are going to do 35,000 equals R, bracket, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 to the 12 times 15 minus 1, all divided by 0.06 divided by 12. Again, I'm going to divide this by the bracket, everything in that bracket, and I'm going to get that R is equal to $120.35. Okay, so how much is paid out of pocket? Because 120 seems like a lot less than $14,000, but that's where an annuity is tricky, because in a lump sum, you start earning interest on everything right away. In an annuity, the first 120 gets all the interest possible, but then the next 120 gets 1 month less interest earned, and so on and so forth. So you keep on putting money in, but because you're doing it slowly, you're going to end up having to put more in. And so that's the question. How much more do we need to put in? So how much total out of pocket? So we're putting in $120.35 out of pocket, and we're doing this monthly. So we're doing this 12 times a year for 15 years. So if we do that, the end of 15 years, we are going to be paying out of pocket $21,663. Exactly. So how much more does it cost to invest smaller amounts each month in this situation? So we take the $21,663, we subtract the $14,261.88, and we find out by doing an annuity, we're paying an extra $7,401.12. So if we're paying an extra $7,000, which is, you know, almost 1.5 times, or it's over 1.5 times what the lump sum is, what reasons are there for choosing an annuity over a lump sum? And don't get me wrong, there are a lot of them. The main reason is most of us don't have the $14,000 sitting around to invest. We don't have that lump sum available. We do have a smaller sum that we can slowly put away. We don't have a huge lump sum. And that's why we use annuities. And you can write that out in your own words. I'm not going to spend video time writing all those words down. But the real crux of the problem is most of us need the smaller investments because that's what we can afford. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!